Space-saving and enough capacity fridge, BANGSON fridge with bottom freezer, 17.9-inch W x 18.3 D x 45 H, only occupying an area of 2.28 square feet. With a bottom freezer capacity of 1.27 cu-ft and a refrigerated section capacity of 2.75 cu-ft, this small refrigerator is designed to optimize space while providing ample room for storing your favorite food and beverages. It is ideal for dorms, apartments, bedroom, office, and kitchen. 5 temperature settings. The BANGSON refrigerator has 5 temperature settings with excellent cooling performance. The freezer ranges from -0.004 degrees Fahrenheit to 15 degrees Fahrenheit in the refrigerator, from 35 degrees Fahrenheit to 50 degrees Fahrenheit. The temperature settings range from 1, warmest, to 5, coldest, with 3 being the optimal temperature. You can store various foods including meat, eggs, milk, beer, coffee, vegetables, fruit, and ice cream. Enjoy optimal food preservation with our adjustable temperature fridge. Efficient internal compartments. The fridge has a double-door design with a separate freezer and refrigerator. The refrigerated section includes 2 removable glass shelves. You can freely adjust the height of the compartment in this area to meet your storage needs. The crisper drawer provides a separate storage area for fruits and vegetables, which is more hygienic and clean. The side door racks offer beverage storage, and the bottom of the area fits 3 67.6-ounce servings of beverage. Energy efficient and quiet. This small refrigerator is designed to save energy and operates at an average of 39 dB during normal use, which won't disturb your daily life. Please note that due to transport, the refrigerator may experience some bumps, so it's recommended to place it upright for 6 to 12 hours before plugging it in to ensure its quiet operation and longer lifespan.